Part 1, Neutrals that actually inspire, rooms #19. Neutral doesn't mean boring. It means breathing room. Number 1 Warm Minimalist, Cream, Sand, Charcoal. A modular boucle sofa meets a hammered concrete table. The takeaway: layer textures wool, oak, stone to make beige sing. Number 3 Taupe and Terracotta, one warm accent color repeated in vases, a throw, and a ceramic side table. The takeaway: repeat your accent color at least 3 times for cohesion. Number 6 Cream and Canvas. A giant circular jute rug defines the zone. A single abstract painting does all the work. The takeaway: one large artwork beats a crowded gallery wall. Number 9 White Noise, pure white everywhere, plus one olive green cushion. The takeaway: even a whisper of color breaks the silence beautifully. Part 2, Bold and Beautiful, Rooms #1018. Now we add saturation. These rooms are not afraid. Number 10 Emerald Enclave, a giant tufted emerald velvet sofa against navy walls. Brass chandelier. The takeaway: bold furniture needs dark walls, the contrast is everything. Number 11 Navy Nook, deep blue walls, a built-in window seat, and one mustard yellow vintage armchair. The takeaway: complementary colors, blue plus yellow, create the strongest visual pop. Number 13 Mustard Statement, a screaming yellow velvet sofa. Everything else is charcoal or concrete. The takeaway: let one piece shout while everything else whispers. Number 15 Burgundy Box, black walls, black leather sofa, and a burgundy lacquered ceiling. The takeaway: paint your ceiling. It's the most underused surface in design. Number 16 Sage Serenity, sage green walls, a living wall of ferns and raw oak floors. The takeaway: real plants make any color palette feel alive. Part 3, Sculptural Shapes and Surprises, Rooms #1927. These living rooms treat furniture like art. Number 19 The Kidney Bean, a solid walnut coffee table shaped like a kidney, organic, flowing, unforgettable. The takeaway: one sculptural piece can define an entire room. Number 20 Floating Platform, the entire seating area is raised 6 inches and lit from below. The takeaway: changing levels define zones without walls. Number 21 Spiral Sofa, a modular sofa that curves in on itself, no straight lines. The takeaway: curved furniture invites conversation. Number 24 Sunken Conversation Pit, a 1970s revival, an octagonal pit with built-in burnt orange seating. The takeaway: drama and intimacy in one bold move. Number 25 The Egg Pod, instead of a sofa, a single pink velvet egg-shaped pod that swivels. The takeaway: you don't need a sofa. Consider a giant chair, floor cushions, or a pod. Number 27 Anti-Gravity Shelf, a clear acrylic shelf that appears to float, holding books in midair. The takeaway: hidden supports create magic. Quick design takeaways, all 27 rooms in 7 bullets. Neutrals need texture: mix soft, rough, smooth, and shiny. One accent color is enough, repeated 3 times. Paint your ceiling, it changes everything. Bold colors need quiet neighbors, let one piece shine. Curves soften round sofas, kidney tables, arched doorways. Change levels, raised platforms, sunken pits, floating shelves. Plants are a design material, treat them like furniture. Now your turn. Which living room number stole your heart? Drop it in the comments, and tell us one detail you'd copy in your own home. Examples: Number 10 I need that emerald sofa immediately. Number 25 An egg pod. Yes, please. Number 15 I'm painting my ceiling this weekend. Like if you found at least one new idea. Subscribe for weekly design inspiration. Why subscribe? By joining the Trendus family, you'll never miss Weekly uploads packed with visual inspiration. In-depth analysis of stunning architectural projects. Behind-the-scenes looks at how dream homes come to life. A growing community that shares your passion for design. Let's connect. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment, share your thoughts, and tell us what kind of content you'd like to see next. Your feedback shapes our journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for stopping by. Grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's explore the beautiful world of architecture together. Welcome to the family. With love, the Trendas Architecture 72 team.